Right, it's been a while since I've done one of these. This is going up on the old Darren's Midlife Crisis channel, for those who remember it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a quick what's in the box. So this, I'm hoping, let's open up, is a cutting tool, a lever, from a company. Ooh, very nice. Just one of the forums on Facebook mentioned, based in London, what they called Pro Atelier Plus. Basically tools, leather, other bits and pieces. Not come across them before, so I had a look at their website. I see something on there which was like a cutter, a slot cutter, especially when doing like card slots and that. And I see something on there, and I thought, oh yeah, I could do with one of them. It'd be handy. Reasonable price. I think I paid £51 for it. Only ordered it on what, Wednesday. It's now Friday, and it has arrived. And opening the first box, I like this. You've got their logo pressed into a little bit of leather stuck to the front. So let's open this up. Looks well packaged. Yeah, so there we have it. So, handle. Oh wow, it's got a bit of weight to it. And then we've got a set of, where am I? Blades. Let's just be careful how I open this, because knowing me, I'll end up cutting my hand on it or something. So the idea is this blade, which is 128mm long, slots into there, and then we got some little Allen screws with an Allen key just to lock that blade into place. And then with my hammer, just give it a bash, and that should cut me a nice straight edge. So this is for doing like long edges. So this would be a good idea for when I'm doing my little wallets, my card holders, for nice straight edges, instead of perhaps just using a knife across. And then we've got blades, a couple of blades for different sort of size slots. So that is 87mm, and what we got here, so, and that is 56mm. So that is roughly the size of a card, you know, bank card, credit card, ID card. Let me have a look. What have I got in here? I've got your cards in here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Oyster card. Let's have a look. Not that I use this anymore, but anyway, let's just have a quick look. Yeah, so as you can see, just a little bit bigger, because I think the cards are 85mm wide, if my memory serves me. So yeah, you cut a slot in the leather, and that then gives you your card slots and that. So yeah, just a little what's in the box to go up on Darren's Midlife Crisis channel, which hasn't had anything loaded onto it for well over a year now. It's about time I did start putting stuff back on there, but here it is. Yeah, one impressed with the way this is packaged. I love this little box here as well, especially I like that. It's giving me an idea. We shall see. Anyway, that's it from me at the moment. I might just run a little video up, see how good this is. I've got some scrap leather, just see what we can do with it. I think I will do that and just add it as a separate video later. Anyway, that's it for now. Cheers guys.